Okay, everybody, I'm gonna demonstrate how I fillet a bullhead or a catfish. They're basically the same. Um, Bullhead, of course, being much smaller species of catfish. Um, the skin is super slippery. Now, if you're squeamish, I wouldn't suggest watching this video. But I've already cut the heads off and gutted them. I didn't show that part. But I'm going to use these catfish pliers to pull the skin off, and then use my fillet knife to get the meat off. Okay, so what I do is I make a cut down, you know, both sides of the backbone, just like you would when you're, filleting. Get both sides of the fin here, the dorsal fin, like that. Okay, see that. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these catfish pliers. Now it takes a little bit to grip the edge of the skin here. Once you get it, try not to take the meat with you. There we go. See how that's peeling right off. Oops. See how that skin's peeling right off. Take your time doing this. You want to try to get as much meat off these guys as you can. Okay. Try to just start the edges. Okay. What I'm gonna do is slowly pull the skin off like that. Try not to take the meat with me. Oops. That's what I forgot to do. I forgot to slice the middle of the belly. So yeah, slice the middle of the belly too. That helps. So, down the backbone, both sides, and down the belly too. That's what I forgot to do. See that? I made a cut here and on the back side. Now that should come off a lot easier. Okay. Well, let's try it. These guys are super slippery. I say take your time. There we go. That's coming right off. And it should peel right down. It's coming. Watch. It pulls right down. Nice and slow. Look at that, see? Look at that, see? Came right off. I'm going to do the other side. Same thing. You start at the edges, like that. Try not to get the meat. I think this is the most challenging part, is starting it. Once you have it started, it comes off pretty easy. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oops. Try not to take the belly meat. That's some of the best part. There we go. So see how it started? Now it should peel right down. This isn't the best camera angle. You get an idea what I'm doing here. Let's see. These catfish pliers are a lifesaver, and they literally cut your time in half. There we go. See that? Look at that. Came right off. Okay. So now I'm going to do the other one. Any of the fish parts, I save them for compost. Okay, so now I'm going to do the other one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cut down the backbone. on both sides of this dorsal fin here. See? All the way down to the tail. Okay, both sides. That dorsal fin, oops, careful not to cut yourself. So that dorsal fin usually comes right off. There you go. Okay, and then I'm going to do down the belly. Like so. See that? That way the skin comes off easier. And just like this one, just like this last one. Take these pliers. I'm going to start peeling the skin. Nice and easy. You want to take your time doing this. There we go. See? It's coming right off. So once you get it started, try not to take the this is the easiest way to fillet a bullhead because the skin is super slippery. Okay, it should peel right down. Oops. Oops, taken. There we go. Okay, so watch. Comes right off. See that? Oops. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. That's just my washer. Okay, so now I'm going to do the other side. Handle this camera a little better. Okay, I'm going to do the other side. See how I'm getting, I hope you can see that.